wavelength times frequency.
It all makes sense.
Did you know that sound is a wave? What's a wave? Let me show you. There are transverse waves and longitudinal waves. What's the difference? Transverse waves move perpendicular to the movement in the medium in which they travel, and longitudinal waves move horizontal in the medium in which they travel.
Let's start by reviewing the wave equation. This is the fundamental frequency. This is how we find the frequency. Next, we'll examine the first overtone. That's how you find the frequency, and this is what it looks like. Now let's look at the second overtone. Wavelength is 2/3 and the frequency is 90 Hz. This is the third overtone.